In today's episode, I will be sharing with you the tour of my kitchen for spring. So I've used pops of lavender and purples for spring this year. So I think the kitchen looks very nice this year. So I'm going to take you around and give you a show of my kitchen. And please don't forget to give your girl a thumbs up. It doesn't hurt you, but it helps me. And I'll catch you at the end of the video. Now let's start off here at the sink. Now, if you know me, you know I love to have the colored towels. I always like for my dish towels and cup towels to flow with the color of the season. And these towels were purchased on Tumi. I always say the name wrong. And the dishcloths, the hand dishcloths came from Amazon. Now my coffee station, I have a video up and I will link that in the iCard, but I want to keep it simple and keep it to the point of spring and Easter. Now the next I want to share with you is my tier tray. Now I think it came out really cute. I tried to make it look like a garden, like the fireplace, with all the greenery and the flowers, and the rabbits. So I think it came out really cute. It does sort of look like a garden, and the rabbits are hiding there in the garden. Now on the other side of the kitchen, I kept it simple because of course it's by the stove. And I added some beautiful towels here as well. This one says Bloom Together, which I think is really cute. I really like those towels. They're really, really nice. Now on the tray here, I kept it really simple. I added this bicycle or tricycle, if you may, with the flowers in the back and the sign that says Hello Spring. Now that tricycle was ordered off of Amazon a few years ago, and the Hello Spring is tier tray decor. Now overall, my kitchen, I kept it simple and to the point. I want to make sure that it all stayed together. I always have my hand towels, my my mittens and all to match as well, and I put them here on the wall to go with my color theme. And overall, I think the colors, the pops of purple and lavender in the kitchen look really pretty. It lets you know that it is spring. So let me know what you think of my touches of spring in my kitchen down below. You know I love reading your comments, and I will see you in the next episode. If you want to see more, click the video here or the link below, and you be blessed.